everybody. In this video I'm going to discuss with you all the hypothesis, the term hypothesis, concept of hypothesis, meaning of hypothesis, definition of hypothesis, and nature of hypothesis. What do you understand by this hypothesis? So let's understand what is the meaning of hypothesis first of all. Hypothesis is a step basically in the research process. Setting hypothesis is an important step of any research process and for the researcher. This is basically step being taken by the researcher after setting objective, after setting the pertinent objective. The researcher set the hypothesis. So what is hypothesis? It's a tentative statement. It's a tentative proposition formulated to determine its validity with the help of experiment and observation. It's just an statement. It is a perception of a particular person being based on certain logical factors. Okay, so it's a tentative statement that being tested with the help of primary and secondary data. Now let's take an example. Suppose I'm doing research on losing weight and effects of vegetable on this weight loss. So in that case, weight loss and vegetable, the comparative study I have to do on this. So suppose I'm setting a hypothesis, setting a hypothesis like, if I eat more vegetable, it will help me to reduce weight faster. So just a statement that need to be tested with the help of experiment. Okay, so it's a tentative statement right now. It will be proven or rejected with the help of experiment. Let's take another example. If I'm doing research on my garden and my plants and my plants in the garden and fertilizers. So in that case, fertilizers, effects of fertilizers on plant. Suppose right now I'm framing a statement, framing a hypothesis. If I add fertilizer to my garden, it will help my plants to grow faster. Again, a tentative statement. It need to be tested with the help of experiment in the research process. So setting hypothesis is a step through which we can go ahead in our research process. So we can say that it is an organized skepticism of science. The refusal to accept any statement without empirical verification is not that much evident, it's not that much logical. So it need to be tested later on with the help of experiment and observation. So we can say that it is a tentative generalization of the researcher in the initial of the research process to test the validity later on with the help of primary and secondary data. So this is what hypothesis is, a tentative statement in the initial of the research process. Now let's understand hypothesis with the help of definition. Now what is the definition of hypothesis? Definition of hypothesis being given by Webster's dictionary. There is many more definition has been given, but I have taken Webster's dictionary's definition about hypothesis. So hypothesis is an unproved theory, proposition, supposition, etc. tentatively accepted to explain certain facts or to provide basis for further investigation, argument, etc. Now let's elaborate this definition. Hypothesis is an unproved theory. Why it is called unproved theory? As I informed you, this is a tentative statement. A tentative statement. Why it is being called a tentative statement? The researcher in the initial of the research, he or she he will not having the enough information about the result that will come in future. So initially he or she will decide the tentative statement or tentative result that he or she wants at the end of the research process. So that is why it is being called as unproved theory, proposition and supposition, tentatively accepted to explain certain facts, that facts based on primary and secondary data. But right now tentatively he or she will be, the researcher will be accepted it. So to provide a basis for further investigation and suggest a way through which the researcher can achieve his target objective later on in the future. So this is what the definition of hypothesis. Now next one is the nature of hypothesis.